Well, only 2 videos to go. Both of them should be pretty familiar. Not a long time ago that we did them. This one, well, do these problems and then turn me back on. Okay, so this one, we break off the perfect square, the not perfect square, and the square root of 4 is 2. This one, we break it off the perfect square, 9. Even power, remember, odd power, we got to break off 1. So that'd be y to the 6. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of x of 4th is x squared. That'd be y cubed, square root of y. This one, again, break it up. Perfect square, 25 is a perfect square. I need an even power, so I take off one of the y's. Can't do anything with it. So this would be 5y to the 15th, square root of y. We have a square root of a fraction, so you square root the top, square root the bottom. Square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2. Now 1/2, we'd go square root of 1, square root of 2. That'd be 1 over the square root of 2. Not allowed to have a square root in the bottom, so if you remember, you multiply the top and the bottom by that square root. So it'd be square root of 2 over square root of 4. But the square root of 4 is 2. Now you simplify the radicals. So 8, I break up 4 and 2, because 4 is a perfect square. 50, I'd break up into 25 and 2, because 25 is a perfect square. So it'd be 2 square root of 2 plus 5 square root of 2. So it's 7 square root of 2. 18, 9 and 2. 200 is 100 and 2. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 100 is 10. So it'd be 13 square root of 2. 6 times 3, 18 square root of 2. Plus 3 times 1 is 3. Square root of 2 times square root of 6 is square root of 12. So it'd be 18 square root of 2. Plus 12 is 4 and 3. I did 4 because it's a perfect square. So it'd be 18 square root of 2 plus square root of 4 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Then we distribute the square root of 3. That'd be 6 square root of 3. 6 is outside, so it stays outside. 3 is inside, so it stays inside. Square root of 3 times 6 is square root of 18. So 18 is 9 and 2. Now notice I didn't combine these because they have different numbers under the square root. Just like this problem, can't combine anything because they're different numbers. If they were the same numbers, I'd combine the front. Last 2 problems, I want to get rid of the square root, so I square both sides. So it'd be x squared equals 2x plus 3. Now, whenever we have a square, a lot of ways to do it. So I would subtract 2x, subtract 3 to get everything on one side. If you want to do quadratic formula, that's okay. You can factor it. I think I am going to factor it. So what are the factors of 3 that subtract to give you 2? And that is 3 and 1. So x minus 3 equals 0. X plus 1 equals 0. So add 3. Subtract 1. Now you got to be careful. Whenever you're solving radicals, you always got to check your answer. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 3 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2, plus 3 is 1. Square root of 1 is not negative 1, so I have to cross this one out. That was tricky. Most people forget that. Now this one looks difficult, but actually, whenever you have a square root on both sides, you just square both sides. Oh my goodness, that was so easy. So we'd have 2x plus 1 equals 3x minus 6. Whenever the highest power is 1, you get the variables on one side, numbers on the other. So I would subtract 2x. I would add 6. So I'd have 7 equals x. This is supposed to be 1x. I messed up. 3x minus 2x is x. So that's our answer, and it does work when you put it back in. Good. This is fun. Only one video to go. I hope you're still awake. If you're not, Trixie says wake up. Look, she even can wave her paw. Hello. Have a good day.